Welcome to Bright Beats, and today's topic is alphabet. A. A for apple.
A. A for apple.
B. B for butterfly.
B. B for butterfly.
C. C for cake.
C. C for cake.
D. D for dog.
D. D for dog.
E. E for egg.
E. E for egg.
F. F for French fries.
F. F for French fries.
G. G for grapes.
G. G for grapes.
H. H for house.
H. H for house.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J. J for juice.
J. J for juice.
K. K for kiwi.
K. K for kiwi.
L for lemon.
L for lemon.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for pencil.
P for pencil.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for shoes.
S for shoes.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching.